Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, this is the video about the acrylic ring that you can use, and you can see this set. Yeah, this is like rectangle, and you can see this is from gold and silver. Yeah, acrylic ring made from gold and silver that you can see. This is jewelry, and yeah, this is sign when you set or face to the lamp. Yeah, and then this is, I think this is more sad and beautiful if you see and looks this acrylic room. Yeah, with red and white, like, yeah. And this is acrylic room, I think very limit, not many sell this. Yeah, and yeah, this is jewelry. Yeah, you can sell and you can buy this